Hello there, how are you doing today? My name is Mike with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this video we will show you how to replace the arm housing on your Steelcase V2 Leap Platinum chair. Now this process is only applicable to the Platinum style chair. Alrighty folks, let's get started. So we want to remove the top housing here, and today I'm going to be using a flathead screwdriver. Now I want you to be very careful because this plastic can mark up pretty easily. So we just want to grab in there and twist slightly on all sides. Back side. Comes right off. We're going to grab the housing, pull straight down, and off. Okay, so we are going to put our new housing back on. We're just going to start at the bottom, slide it all the way up, give it a little tap, click into place, and you're all set, folks. That's all there is to it. Not that hard at all. Alright folks, that's pretty much it. That's how you replace the arm housing on your Steelcase Leap V2 Platinum chair. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. Have a joyous day.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.
Hello there, how are you doing today? Good? I'm doing great, thanks for asking. Nobody asked me how I'm doing. I'm so lonely up here, nobody cares about me.